Samsung seems quite keen to reveal its new lineup of the Galaxy S flagships because, as you probably already know, the South Korean company plans to launch at least 3 Galaxy S10 variants. However, the star of the lineup will be Samsung's 10th anniversary Galaxy S10, which will embed the latest top-tier technologies that company is able to bring to the mass market. A new report published by Wall Street Journal details Samsung's plans to launch a 4th Galaxy S10 model that will include 5G support and no less than 6 cameras, 2 in the front and 4 in the back. The device is internally known as the Beyond X, so I am wondering what the 4th lens at the back gonna be. The first one is gonna be a regular lens, the second is wide angle, third is telephoto, and we are not sure what the 4th could be, but a new report from South Korea just came out. The 4th lens is gonna be the TOF based 3D sensing module. Now, you might ask, what could a 3D sensing camera do at the back? It can help with gesture navigation and create augmented reality AR experiences like trying on new clothes in the virtual domain or even placing virtual furniture around the house in real time. And Apple is also rumored to equip the 2019 iPhones with a 3D sensing rear sensors for AR and VR purposes. Unlike the others, the Galaxy S10 models that will feature displays that range in size from 5.8 inches to 6.4 inches. The particular model is said to boast an even larger 6.7 inches display. It will be the most expensive Galaxy S10 smartphone, but also one of the most technologically advanced handsets ever launched by Samsung. Following disappointing Samsung Galaxy S9 sales, Samsung is pushing to reset button with its upcoming the Galaxy S10 lineup in an attempt to impress customers and regain some of its lost market shares. Samsung wants to attract to as many customers as possible with the Galaxy S10, which is why each model features specific hardware configurations suitable for different price tiers. It remains to be seen how the South Korean giant will achieve its goals and whether or not its strategy will pay off. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.